hope you all had a wonderful Christmas. I can't wait to hear all about it. So Michael and I just wanted to jump on really quick to remind all of y'all to join us on Saturday for our very first live. We are going to be sharing.
Pretty cool.
It's going to be a ton of fun. We're both super excited. We're going to be sharing all of our fun ideas for 2025, things we've got coming up. We're also going to be doing our great big giant Christmas giveaway. We're going to be drawing the winners on Saturday.
Yeah, so, big things coming.
Yeah, anything else you have to add?
Nope, I think it's going to be a great time.
Okay, so y'all, come back, see us on Saturday at 3 o'clock Pacific Standard Time for a live. We're going to do a live coffee and chat. Get your questions all ready because Michael and I are going to be here ready to answer all your questions. Any question that you want to ask us, we're here to answer that. And I think this is going to be a ton of fun. We are so excited to spend some time with y'all in a live coffee and chat. So again, Saturday, 3 o'clock Pacific Standard Time.
And bring those questions because we're ready to answer.
Okay, y'all. We will see you on Saturday. Have a safe and happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Cheers. Oh, I know.